Okay guys, our next video, bought a nice portable charcoal grill. It's pretty heavy for its size. I'm going to say close to 15 pounds, somewhere in that neighborhood. Heavier than I thought, which means the gauge metal is heavier than I thought. Putting it together was a little bit tricky. I didn't jump the instructions a little bit, so I had a little bit of difficulty, but anyway, you'll get the idea. I'll speed up the video so it doesn't take forever, because it took me over half an hour, about half an hour or so, to put it together. I'm very happy with the purchase. The material, construction isn't bad. Shipping is a slight problem. There's always a dent or scratches on these things, but it comes with territory. Either way, I got a few other things to learn how to barbecue, because I'm not very good at it. I can cook a burger, but it doesn't mean I know how to barbecue or cook a good steak on there. So a lot of things to learn with this little grill. It has a lot of nice features. You guys will see them as I go along. Air vent on the top, air vent on the bottom, tray to pull out all the ashes and everything. Very nice, easy to clean. Very, very well built for the price range, $69. I will put a link below in it, and I hope you guys enjoy your barbecue this year, and I will be joining you. See you guys in the next one. Bye. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got a Char Griller. It says professional grills and smokers. It's a lot heavier than I thought. That would be one side. It would be a different side. Okay. And you got the top side and the bottom side. Seems to be heavier than I thought. Like I was trying to say. Let's see, the box weight, 20 plus pounds, so the unit might be about 20 pounds. I guess we'll find out in a second. Okay, she's a doozy to put together. Had to bend this piece back right here. It's a little bit messed up. There's the tray for the charcoal. Help keep it in place so it's at a nice, decent height. This is where I had a little. Okay. Here is the grill. There's two of them. Come out. They are cast. Okay, you guys can see the feet there. Alright. Couple of handles. Louver for the top part for let the airflow out. And one at the bottom here to let the airflow in. Okay, so I got to figure all this out since I'm not great at this. Let's close everything. I guess my biggest mistake was basically I didn't follow the instructions, hook up the handle, open this up so I can get easy access to everything else. Okay, think you guys got a good image of that. She's heavy. I'll put in the description how heavy she is, alright?